Let's dive into the workflow and see just how easy it is to create a prescription.
So, how many clicks does it really take to get this done? Let's find out.
All right, so the doctor starts the day and their status is automatically set to busy.
But with just one click, they're ready. This lets the assistant know it's time for the next patient. And just like that, there's a notification. A quick click on the bell shows the waiting list.
They select the patient, and boom, all their key info and allergy alerts pop right up.
Need more details? No problem. The full patient profile is just another click away. Okay, now for the core task, prescribing meds. It's a simple 3-step process. The doc just pulls the medications from the library right into the active prescription. Now that the prescription's ready, they just need to choose their preferred print format.
And there it is, a clean, professional prescription ready to print or save.
So you see, it's a fast, seamless, and professional process. The entire workflow simplified.